Hello children, welcome to another session of Science Class 4. Today we will understand Lesson 10 and will solve exercise of Lesson 10. This lesson will help you to understand the relationship between living things and their habitat and to evaluate how animals adapt to their habitat and to analyze how these adaptations help animals survive. So let's revise. So what is adaptation? An adaptation is a way an animal's body helps it to survive or live in its environment. Animals depend on their physical features to help them obtain food, keep safe, and build homes. And these physical features are called physical adaptation. Living things are adapted to the habitat they live in. This is because they have these special features that help them to survive. They makes it possible for the animal to live in a particular way. Examples of the basic adaptations that help animals survive are shape of a bird's beak, the number of fingers, color of the fur, the thickness or thinness of the fur, the shape of the nose or ears. Some animals have scales and some animals have spots. So this diversity in appearance and behavior is caused by animal adaptation. So like plants, animals have also developed certain features which help them to survive in the environment, and those animals that cannot adapt to the changes in their environment slowly die out. For example, dinosaur. Now let's understand animal classification on the absence or presence of a backbone. So, human like you can move because your body is supported by an internal skeleton which works as a support structure for your body. It gives the body its shape and allow movement. But not all animals walk and run around like humans. Their skeleton have adapted to different forms of movement, like fish swim because their long flexible backs and strong fins allow them to swim through water easily. And even like frog hops because their strong back legs and large feet help them to jump. And birds fly because their arms have turned into wings. Some animals like insects have a completely different type of skeleton which are invertebrate. Means an animal without a backbone. So, invertebrates live in every part of the world. In fact, most of the animals on earth are invertebrate. Invertebrates come in all different shape and size. So, animals that do not have a backbone are called invertebrates. For example, insects such as cockroach, ant and worms, and such as slug and snail. And insects have 6 legs and their body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. And most insects have a hard outer covering made up of material called chitin. A few insects such as mosquitoes and butterflies can fly. Now let's understand about vertebrates. All vertebrates have muscles and skeleton that help them to move around easily and perform complex moves. Even they have bones that are inside a body and which gives them their shape and allows them to stand erect. So, animals that have a backbone are called vertebrates, and they can be further divided into smaller groups like fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Now let's understand about habitat of animal. So a habitat is a special place where a plant or animal lives, just like you have a home or a place to live. Same way, animals also have their home. So, as you know, animals are found in every part of the world. Some live in forest, others live in hot and sandy desert. Some live in lakes, rivers, and the sea. And they are even found in very cold areas like Arctic, where the ice never melts. So humans live in many different parts of the world. They eat many kinds of food. They wear different clothes to suit the weather, whether it is hot or cold. But animals and plants can only live in places where the weather suits them. So animals live in places where they get the right food. A fish can only live in water. Animals with a thick furry coat live in very cold places. So the place where an animal can live is called its habitat. So animals are found everywhere, on land, on trees, flying in the air, and in water. So some animals are also found on both land and water. So based on where animals spend most of their time, they can be grouped into terrestrial animal, arboreal animals, aerial animals, aquatic animal, and amphibians animals. Now let's understand what do animals eat. So as you know, different animals eat different things. All animals need food to survive. And all animals eat many different kind of food, including other animals, fish, nuts, seeds, tree leaves, branches, insect, and grass. So based on the type of food they eat, they can be divided into 5 main groups. So let's revise. Question 3. Give 2 examples for each of the following. First, animals, animals, that, do, and not HAVE, have, BACKBONE, backbone. So the question is animals that do not have backbone. Answer COCKROACH, cockroach. Second example, ant, ant. So as you know that animals that do not have a backbone are called invertebrates, and based on the absence or presence of backbone, animals can be divided into these two groups. First is invertebrate and another is vertebrate. So here insects such as cockroach, ant, and worms such as slug and snail are example of invertebrate animals, means animals without a backbone. Now second, ARBOREAL, arboreal, ANIMALS, animals. So the question is arboreal animals. Answer MONKEY, monkey, and KOALA, koala. So as you know that land animals that live mostly on trees are called arboreal animals, and they have sharp claws to climb up and down the branches, and they usually have strong and muscular limbs. And example are monkey and koala. Now next, FLIGHTLESS, flightless, BIRDS, birds. Answer is first example KIWI, kiwi, and second example PENGUI, and penguin. So as you know that birds have light body and they are covered with feathers, and they have wings that help them to fly. But birds such as ostrich, kiwi, and penguin cannot fly because they have a heavy body, and that's why they are called flightless birds. Now next question, ANIMALS, animals, THAT, that, HAVE, have, THICK, thick, SKIN, skin, TO, PROTECT, protect, THEMSELVES, themselves. So the question is animals that have a thick skin to protect themselves. Answer ELEPHANT, elephant. Second example, HIPPOPOTAMUS, hippopotamus. So as you know, many animals have adapted themselves well to the environment to protect themselves from the enemies. So animals such as elephant and hippopotamus have thick skin to protect themselves from heat in hot climate. Now next question, ANIMALS, animals, THAT, that, SHOW, show, CAMOUFLAGE, camouflage. So the question is animals that show camouflage. Answer STICK, stick, INSECT, insect, stick insect, And second example, grasshopper, grasshopper. So as you know, some animals can trick their enemies because their body color blends easily with their surrounding and thus confusing their enemies, they save their selves. So this is called camouflaging. Now next question, endangered, endangered animals. Animals. So the question is endangered animals. Answer giant, giant, panda, giant panda. And the second example, tiger, tiger. So as you know, despite a lot of adaptation, lives of several animals are in danger because of the destructive activities of human. So animals such as giant panda and tiger are in danger of becoming extinct and they are called endangered animal. Now let's understand and write question 4. Circle, the, odd, one, out. Circle the odd one out. First word monkey, monkey. Second word rat, rat. Third word squirrel, squirrel. And fourth word slug, slug. So as you know, animals that do not have a backbone are called invertebrates. An example of invertebrate is worms such as slug, which is fourth word here. But here monkey, rat and squirrel are example of animals with backbone, means vertebrate animal. So fourth word slug, slug, is different from first three words. So we have to circle fourth word slug, slug. Now second, first word cockroach. Second word ladybird. Third word snail. And fourth word squirrel. So here cockroach, ladybird and snail are animals without backbones, means they are invertebrates. But fourth word squirrel is animal with backbone. So fourth is different from first three words. So we have to circle squirrel. Now next, first word eagle. Second word kiwi. Third word pigeon. And fourth word sparrow. So here eagle, pigeon and sparrow are example of birds which can fly. But second bird which is kiwi is flightless bird, means which cannot fly. because kiwi has a heavy body. So here kiwi is different from other three birds as it is a flightless bird. So we have to circle kiwi. Now next, first word D-double-E-R, deer, G-O-A-T, got, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit, and fourth word B-E-A-R, bear. Now here deer, goat and rabbit are example of herbivorous animals, means animals that eat only plants. But fourth animal which is B-E-A-R, bear, is example of omnivorous, means animal that eat plant as well as the flesh of other animal. So here B-E-A-R, bear, is different from other three animals, so we have to circle that. Now next, V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Second word L-I-O-N, lion. Third word T-I-G-E-R, tiger, and fourth word S-N-A-K-E, snake. Here vulture is example of scavenger, means there are some flesh eating animals that feed on the flesh of dead animals. And other three, lion, tiger, and snake, are example of carnivorous, means animals that eat the flesh of other animals. So we have to circle first word V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. So let's revise. Question 5. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. A-R-E-U-S-U-A-L-L-Y, usually. D-I-V-I-D-E-D, divided. I-N-T-O, into. T-W-O, two. L-A-R-G-E, large. G-R-O-U-P-S, groups. T-H-O-S-E, those. W-I-T-H, with. A dash A-N-D, and. T-H-O-S-E, those. W-I-T-H-O-U-T, without. So the question is, animals are usually divided into two large groups, those with a dash and those without. So answer is B-A-C-K-B-O-N-E, backbone. So as you know that based on the absence or presence of backbone, animals can be divided into two groups, which are animals that do not have backbone, which are invertebrates, and animals that have a backbone, which are vertebrates. Now next, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. W-I-T-H, with. A-B-A-C-K-B-O-N-E, backbone. I-N-C-L-U-D-E, include. So the question is, animals with a backbone include. So as you know that animals that have a backbone are called vertebrates, and they can be further divided into smaller groups, which are F-I-S-H, fish. A-M-P-H-I-B-I-A-N-S, amphibians. R-E-P-T-I-L-E-S, reptiles. birds, birds, mammals, mammals. Now next, the body, body, of, insect, insect, is divided, into dash parts. So the question is, the body of an insect is divided into dash parts. So answer is three. So which are head, thorax and abdomen. So as you know that insects have 6 legs and their body is divided into 3 parts, which are head, thorax and abdomen. So answer is 3. Now next, dash animals, animals, have, sharp, claws, climb, trees. So the question is, dash animals have sharp claws to climb trees. Answer is arboreal, which means that land animals that live mostly on trees. Now next, most, aquatic, animals, have, dash, that, help, them, swim. So the question is, most aquatic animals have dash that help them to swim. So as you know that fish is a group which consists of large variety of animals that live in water, and these animals breathe through gills and they have fins to swim. So answer is, most aquatic animals have fins that help them to swim. So today we have learned that based on the presence or absence of backbone, animals can be divided into 2 groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. And animals with a backbone or vertebrates can be further divided into groups such as fish, birds, amphibians, reptiles and mammals. Then animals can also be grouped according to the place they live in. They may be terrestrial, aquatic, amphibian, arboreal and aerial. Then animals can be also grouped as herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, scavengers or parasites depending on their feeding habits.